and welcome to my everything that I'm wearing in Taiwan video.
We're going to be covering a mix of outfits for hot sunny days, chilly overcast evenings, and even rainy days. So stick around if you struggle with vacation packing so we can discuss my best and worst packing choices as well as lessons learned at the end of the video.
My sister is gonna make intermittent appearances in the videos. All right, this is day one in Taiwan and I'm already kind of feeling so good because it's so tropical. It's like 28 degrees Celsius. We're feeling all the summer vibes. So I had to go with a floral vintage shirt that I got from Vinted ages ago. My shorts are from Aritzia. I love them so much. I just feel like they're the perfect dressy touch, but they're still short, so they're very carefree and easy. And then I'm going with my Korea red Mary Janes. Since I'm going with a lot of black, I thought this bag would be appropriate. It's a large, oversized W concept bag. I feel like this outfit is the inverse of my sister's. She's going tropical in the bottom and then business in the top, and I'm going tropical on top and business in the bottom. I mean, you could have matched me with your shoes.
I do have red shoes, but
just go like this. She's going brown accessories, I'm going black and red. So this is the full look for day one in Taiwan. I like it, I like it. Tell them about your outfit.
hold on. Secondhand.
Secondhand skirt. This is also vintage. Top is
Abercrombie.
Bag is
yours.
I forgot to mention this outfit is just for going to a cafe and then doing more trip planning for the rest of our trip. So it just feels like an appropriate cafe outfit. I'm right in front of the biggest window. I'm getting natural light. So this seems to be working, but you might see a different angle from me tomorrow. And this is where I'd like to thank Fabrique for sponsoring this portion of today's video.
The reason I love Fabrique is that they work with over 300 designers from around the world to bring unique and creative pieces. For example, Stefania Bosio is an Italian designer who also happens to be a former Moschino and Jill Sander talent, and now she's bringing her stunning work to Fabrique.
For our first look, I wanted to show you the versatile Morstan contrast jacket designed by Sinha Stunnage. Barn jackets are such a spring staple, and the way this 100% cotton jacket looks with the stunning Nico embellished jeans designed by Silvia Antoniozzi is my favorite blend of dressy and everyday functionality. Our second look is this effortless set designed by Thomas Wakeford. You guys know I'm a fan of matching sets, and the way the Evelyn vest pairs with the Victoria high-waist Bermuda shorts is just chef's kiss. And layered with a Bara silk and linen blazer, you get a more formal and put-together appearance for a girls' brunch or book club meeting. And of course, the best part is that you could wear these pieces as a set or mix and match them with other items in your wardrobe. The third look is so special since I'm planning to wear it to a summer wedding that I'm invited to. The carry dress designed by Paris-based designer Jonathan James has such elegant movement. From the draped neckline to the low back detail, everything about this dress is so romantic and elegant. For our next look, we're mixing feminine with masculine with the Loira silk vest designed by Sabrina Tachian, paired with the Clarice jeans designed by Adriano Goldschmied. The 3D roses on the vest in combination with the two-tone detail of the jeans makes for the perfect blend of colors and textures and creates so much interest in this look. And lastly, we have the Dakota tweed baseball jacket by Tia Chaknashvili layered on top of the poppy embroidered sweater by Stefania Bosio. For those in-between spring days where you're not quite sure if you're needing to wear warm or cool clothes, this outfit combination is so handy. The tweed detail of this jacket in contrast with the floral embroidery in the sweater is such a fun touch that I feel it would make for a perfect spring dinner outfit. As always, all the items that I featured in today's video will be linked in the description box, and make sure to use my discount code 2SAB
for 15% off for first-time users.
Now let's get back to all the outfits I wore on vacation in Taipei. Here's the dress for the day. I was thinking of this one because I like that it gets a cinched waist moment, but it's still very comfortable and airy. It is linen, so it's breathable, and we are having such warm days while we are here, so I was thinking this would be my go-to dress for Geofan. If I step all the way back, my shoes that I matched with this outfit, I'm not even sure if this is the right choice, but I have my vintage boule boots with some thick like sports socks. I want to try to be as comfy as possible. My only other options at this point are my New Balance 530s, and I feel like that just throws off the cute look way too much. I'd rather go a little bit more Western cowgirl aesthetic than just going with the sneakers. Anyway, let me share with you where everything's from. My dress is VC Studios. I'm wearing this necklace that I thrifted, and my earrings along with the matching butterfly ring are Hifang, and that's the look. But let me show you the additional pieces. So for my bag, I am going with my Olida bag, and then hear me out. In Taiwan, outside it's all hot, you're sweaty. You step inside and the AC is just blasting. It's always freezing cold. So you shouldn't step out actually without a sweater. I'm thinking a pop of color is the way to go here. This is my sister's thrifted sweater. I think I don't even know what this brand is. SU? I don't know.
know. Anyway, it's like a cute little polo knit sweater situation. I could wear it as a cardigan, or I could just wear it over the shoulder like this. Really aesthetic and cute. Anywho, this is it. This is what we're going for. I wonder if I push back the camera farther, if you will see the boots, because right now you're not really seeing it. What do we think? I'll show you the pretty geofan views in the Taiwan vlog. Hi friends, welcome to day 3 in Taipei. This is Wednesday's look. Guys, I wanted to go with a nice, simple kind of chic look because we are gonna have a shopping day today. It is in Taipei 101, such a stunning area. I would say it's more like uptown. So you wanna look good. When you enter the mall, there's all these uber rich aunties with their Birkins and Kellys. I'm not trying to level up anyone, but I just wanna look nice, okay? It's gonna be a good, fun day. Later this evening, we're gonna meet up with one of our friends who lives here in Taiwan. So generally speaking, we want to dress nice, we want to feel good. I put this outfit together. It is an old dynamite skirt because I want it to be comfy even in a mini skirt. So it has the shorts. Okay, we're safe, we're good guys, we're covered. And also, okay, I bought a pair of compression socks when I was coming over here because it was literally the last day. If you guys saw my pack and prep video, you know I bought the socks on the day of the flight because I wanted to fly safe. I also wanted to make use of them here, and they're just nice knee-high socks, is that not right? So I decided to put those on. And then these are my Boule vintage boots that I got on Facebook Marketplace. Guys, do they still sell these kind of boots? Because I tried searching up Boule boots like new. I couldn't find their website or anything. Let me know if you guys know about this brand, but I really like them a lot. My belt is Aritzia. It is a nice little square buckle. My top, it's also from Aritzia. Nice, simple, basic. My button down is also Aritzia, okay? It's Sunday best. I really like the color of this shirt. It's not just like a really simple light blue button down. It's kind of more dramatic blue. It's perfect for spring, summer, and I get a ton of wear out of it. In this case, I decided to just leave it open. No buttons were done. I tucked it in and created this kind of cinched waist situation. It's very bellowy and ballooned out like at the back and stuff, and I like that look about it. Decided to cinch the waist more with a belt, and so it kind of creates this more dramatic shape, more flattering. Anyway, this is the whole look. What do you guys think? Let me show you my accessories. I am having a bit of trouble with my hair here because it is so humid, and my hair, I don't know, likes humidity. It gets bigger. I'm trying to shape my hair so it stays back. I put in my glasses like this. Anyway, these are my glasses for today. They're from Key. They're really nice cat eye shaped sunglasses. I find them flattering and cute. I wear them all the time on all the trips. And for my bag, let me show you my bag. Actually, let me show you my jacket. I wanted to get a layer because it gets so cold here. Whenever I'm indoors, I'm freezing. That's why I'm gonna take a jacket. Guys, is this outfit not so Miu Miu coded? Like, it's just so preppy, but also kind of edgy because of the boots and the layered socks. I love that this trench coat from Fabrique, forgot to mention. I love that the trench coat's collar is the same kind of color as my boots, so it kind of draws the whole outfit together. And then for my bag, I decided to go with this W concept, kind of big, slouchy bag. Have the whole look here. This is it. Yeah. What do you guys think? I really like this one because I wore similar items in Paris last year, in Italy as well. But my point is, I really like traveling with pieces that I can easily mix and match and create tons of different outfit combinations without actually packing so many number of items in there, because I like to travel light these days. I don't know. I used to want to cover all my bases, get so many shoes and so many skirts and so many whatever. And then once I would go back home, I'd be like, wow, so many of these pieces were not even touched once because it just wasn't really a functional piece. So yeah, it's best to just go with your tried and true pieces. Try out multiple different outfit combos. You'll find so many more outfits that you like while on vacation with less pieces. It's become a proven fact to me ever since Europe's trip. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm hoping that today I don't buy anything. Just do some window shopping. I will see you guys for tomorrow's outfit. Bye! Hi friends, it is Thursday and it is day 4 or 5 of our trip, you know?
I've lost track at this point.
I've also lost track. I am in a very vacation-y outfit mood because I borrowed my sister's very tropical style skirt. This is a vintage Liz Claiborne midi skirt. I love the pattern, and that the double slit on either side is so cute. Today we're gonna go to a night market, and so obviously we want to be comfy and I want to be hands-free, so I'm gonna be going with my backpack today. Put this on, complete the look. I just feel like this outfit screams tourist, but I'm completely okay with it because that is why I'm here. I wanted to get to sightsee and also look cute the whole time doing so. And this shirt, I think I showed you guys this. This was what I was wearing on my trip over. It was my travel outfit. The brand is called In Print We Trust. As soon as I saw this one, it had all these vintage boarding passes. Then I thought, that is perfect. I'm going on a trip soon. And I love these kind of vintagey graphic t-shirt designs. So I had to go for this one immediately. I wanted to get more wear out of it on this trip, but it is an oversized baggy tee. But
what I did here, let me show you. This is how it was looking at first, which is totally fine. But when I'm wearing it with a skirt like this, I just had to grab a little elastic hair tie. And this is like an expired one that I can't use for my hair anymore. So I keep these around for baggy, loose t-shirts like this. And we have a whole crop look. It's cute. It looks more vacation mode. You know what I mean? Definitely off-duty style. So this is my look. And obviously I wanted to kind of zhuzh up the look with some accessories. So I went with my Heefang butterfly earrings, the matching ring on my middle finger. It was like our second day here. We bought these cute rings. My sister bought a matching one. It's sterling silver. My sister bought me these vintage bangles ages ago and I love wearing them on vacation. It's just so cute. The sound that it comes with, so good. Anyway, this is the whole look. I'm wearing my Reeps flip-flops. Feels like a good day to wear them. And here's the complete look. What do we think? Bye! Excuse the poor lighting. We came back home right now from our earlier activities. We're gonna set some stuff down, pick some stuff up, and then go back out. We're hoping to hit up some night markets tonight. Anywho, this is the look. I don't know if you noticed, but I got some new glasses the other day, and I'm already wearing them, and I'm so happy with them. They're so cute and big. Anyway, new glasses aside, I told myself I'm not doing much shopping here, but look, I got some new Adidas Special shoes. These ones are always not the most available in Canada. Sizes sell out so easily and the colors aren't as readily available as they are here. So I had to help myself. Also, my sister got a matching pair. So it's a win-win. It's a sister trip. We got some matching sneakers out of it. It's worth it. Anyway, let me show you the rest of my outfit. I have on the Spando top from Aritzia. I like that it's strapless and kind of chill and it's a little bit cropped. And if I want to wear it with a low cut pair of jeans like this one, I like the fun vibe it creates. I decided to put my silk twilly around the belt loops just for a little bit of a girly touch. And then I decided to go with my Biwako freshwater pearl necklace. It is so cute. I like that it's like a chunky pearl, so it really does draw the eyes to the neckline here. It's really cute. This was the fit. And obviously with my brown Special shoes, this is the jewelry. I'm kind of keeping it simple with the rings. Anywho, let me show you the rest of the outfit because it was too cold to actually walk out like this. My jeans are JW Anderson and Uniqlo collab. My sweater is Oakenfort, I believe. And then for my top, I knew when I was coming here that I would want to bring some kind of trench coat, but I didn't want to bring a whole long trench coat. So I brought my Fabrique crop trench coat because it's just cute. Goes with any look and adds a little layer. Never underestimate the power of layering because this outfit kept me warm even when it got super windy outside. Let me show you my bag. Slouchy brown bag. Kind of nice and casual. And this is the whole look. I really like this look because the cooler the weather, the more you can accessorize, layer up, and play around with your look. So today's look was very satisfying to me for that reason. And it's probably gonna serve me just as well tonight when we go to the night markets. So I will see you guys for tomorrow's look. Okay, quick update. It is raining outside and I don't want my new sneakers to get messed up. So I switched to my bootleg boots. Oh, I'm coming. Hello everyone and welcome to day 5 in Taipei City. This is our last day. We're flying out tonight, but technically we do have a full day here. We woke up at 6:30 and it's looking a little bit, it's looking a bit gloomy, but honestly, I think we really lucked out this time because we were expecting full-on rain for the last 2 days of our trip. But yesterday, we only got very, very tiny bit of rain at the very end of the night. And then today also, it's not looking like it's actually gonna rain. I definitely would consider that very lucky. And we got really good weather. So I am just going to be wearing my airport outfit because I don't want to be changing later. Checkout is at noon. We're almost done packing. As you can see, like we have all our stuff kind of packed away right now. And we're going to be just doing our last little bits and pieces around town. So we want to go to Ximending, get some pineapple cakes and other yummy snacks as souvenirs for family and friends and for ourselves, of course. And then I'm going to be meeting my old manager at the airport because I used to work in Taiwan. I got a job here back in when I was in university, but this is my outfit for the day. Let me walk you through my outfit choice right now. So I wanted to wear kind of a comfy outfit similar to the one that I wore flying into Taipei. My Uniqlo jeans, just added a belt because I am spending the day going around town and stuff and I don't want the bottom of my jeans just picking up all the dirt. So I'm hoping that this will keep me kind of clean and ready to take a flight later at night. It's gonna be another red-eye flight. It's at 11:50 right before midnight. So anyway, this is the whole fit. And if it is kind of chilly outside, this is a wool cardigan from Simple Retro. T-shirt is just the basic t-shirt from Uniqlo, and it's a little bit cropped, but it's not above belly button cropped, so I can wear it without having to tuck it in. Very comfy. And so this is kind of my look, and obviously I had to go with my New Balance 530s because I will be on my feet probably for the most of the day. We're going to be dropping off our bags downstairs. They'll keep it for us until whatever time we're ready to head to the airport. And this is it for our last outfit in Taipei. Wait, my bag. Now it's complete. I feel like I a little bit did underpack this time around. I mean, I've never really regretted underpacking as much as I've regretted overpacking, so I'm still not mad about it, but I could have come with a bit more variety in my tops and bottoms. No harm in repeating outfits or jeans or anything like that, but I didn't wear my shorts and skirts as much as I thought I had opportunities for. So next time around for spring, I would say more variety in trousers and pants and jeans and that kind of thing. But that's my only takeaway so far. I will update you guys if I have any more insights on outfits and packing. But that is all for this week's outfits. Bye!